For decades, erectile dysfunction was seen as a symptom of aging, stress, or declining testosterone. But new vascular science is rewriting that narrative. Millions of men are now discovering that natural erectile function restoration is not only possible, it may be simpler than anyone imagined. The secret lies in circulation. Blood must flow freely, rapidly, and precisely into penile tissue. And for that to happen, capillaries must be clean, open, and responsive. Unfortunately, most synthetic drugs simply bypass the issue. They act as artificial stimulants, forcing an erection through chemical manipulation. But the blockage remains. That's why ED persists. What researchers uncovered instead is a natural solution: amino acid compounds that activate nitric oxide inside the body, safely and powerfully. Nitric oxide is a vasodilator. It relaxes blood vessels, restores capillary function, and triggers real, lasting erections without synthetic drugs or their side effects. The formulation begins with L-Citrulline, an amino acid clinically proven to boost nitric oxide levels. It's the same molecule that inspired Pfizer's early ED research. But unlike commercial pills, L-Citrulline works naturally with the body, opening blood vessels and detoxifying the capillary network, where cholesterol plaque restricts flow. Added to this are vascular cofactors like L-lysine and pycnogenol, each enhancing oxygen delivery, endothelial response, and sexual function on a cellular level. Men using this protocol report dramatic benefits: faster arousal, longer-lasting erections, and renewed stamina. Circulation improves, sensitivity returns, and the entire erectile response system becomes reactivated. But it doesn't stop at physical performance. Many describe increased energy, sharper cognition, and emotional connection restored in relationships. With consistent use, users experience ED reversal without synthetic drugs, not just episodic success, but biochemical restoration. This is a vascular detoxification system that addresses the root cause of ED. It's built on Nobel Prize-winning science, validated by over 11,000 documented male cases. And every ingredient inside, from the amino acids to natural vasodilators, exists to serve one purpose: to restore masculine vitality safely, effectively, and permanently. There's no need to rely on synthetic interference anymore. The pathway has changed. And for thousands of men, it begins with nitric oxide activation and ends with complete erectile confidence, powered by nature, backed by science. And that's how thousands of men are restoring their confidence with cutting-edge science, natural ingredients, and real results. Access the full study in the video description and discover what this can do for you.